Now we can see what is called external CSS. External CSS means you can see here. This is what our CSS file. So in the head section you give like this: link, relation, rel, style sheet. I should mention what? Style sheet, space, h or f, that is hyperlink reference 11.css. CSS means cascade style sheet. I will save all the styles in one file called 11.css. You see here already I saved. H3 is like this, color blue, and this one. There is no style. No need to apply style here. I want to save as here. I'll go here. Then here I can say cascade. You see, cascade style sheet CSS. I will save as 11. So I will save here and I will save. So H3 is what? Color blue, and paragraph is red. Already I run this one. You see here, I already run this particular HTML page. You see here, this HTML page is there. Here HTML page is there. So I am giving what exactly I given? H3 and paragraph. Now I will run here. You see, all the color become blue. Why? Because my CSS is what? See, H3 is blue color. Color is red color. That's why it's coming as what? Color. Color is red color here. Can you see? This is paragraph. Color is red. Suppose here I am changing. I don't want to do anything in the HTML. I am doing in where? CSS only. Suppose I am changing red. Save it. Here, just to go and run. Don't do anything. Just to go and run. Automatically become what? Red color. All H3 becomes what? Red color. Because I change is what color? Red color H3. So what external will do is nothing but you can create one page called CSS.css. All the style should be inside in the CSS. We can add also. You can see body. We can add some style. Background color, body background color, colon is equal to, I say, navy blue. So I can give like this. Save this one. Go here, just run it. Here, go to HTML. Don't do anything because already link is available. Run it. Can you see? Navy blue. It's coming. So external CSS is one file we can call externally, and we link here. This way you should link. Link is called link relationship equal to style sheet HER of the file name. This way we can run. This is called external CSS. So first we see inline. Inline means inside the tag. I write as style like this. Style equal to double quotes. I will write all the information. This is called inline. If I give same thing here, you see here style tag. I can put a tag called style. End with tag with what? Style. I will write all the information. Then it is called what? This is called internal. This is called internal style sheet. Suppose I will use link. This is called what? External CSS. This way we can create the style sheet.